So hello and welcome to another edition of Biciclista's Bike Tune-Up Day. So anyway, here's the problem. Front brakes, walang problema, no problem. Madali siyang mag-engage, but the rear brake is somewhat, with this white line right here, is somewhat stuck. Oh, there we go. So, we'll try to figure out what's wrong with the rear brake. Although engage, it's engaging. It's very difficult to do so. Alright, first up, I have to remove the bar tape. Maybe lift the hood and find out where the route is. This is a Shimano Tiagra 10-speed 5700, and we'll go from there. With an Allen wrench, loosen the brake cables. There we go. What I want to do is totally remove the cable. This is from an old turn DX. Alright, so the brakes not engaged. If you pull this lever, you will see that the cable right there would pop out. There we go, there's our cable. The main beam to get this thing out of the way, checked and cleaned, is to remove this lever, and for Tiagra, it's right on the top right side of the hood. You'll see that there's 6 Allen right there. Come on, focus. But it's right there. Alright, so for you guys to see, here it is. Oh, there we are. Should even it up. One more twist. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've just been able to remove the lever right here. And from the back, this is what I discovered. Anyway, rusted cable, probably rusted casing. So, see if the miracle of WD-40 works. So managed to pull the cable out, but for some reason, the fuck? It smells like rust, but it's black and it's powdery. Anyway, time for some degreaser. Okay, so I found a container to hold the degreaser. So take 2, I found a container to hold the degreaser. It has a hole there, but no worries, I'll just need this side. Put your cable on. This is what I've been using ever since. Water-based degreaser. This is from Handyman. Okay. The reason why I love this is because it's water soluble. Yeah. Here's our arsenal. Remember the red thing that comes with your WD-40 when you buy it? Good enough. It's just exactly fitting inside the casing. So I squirted a few squirts of carb cleaner. That is what came out. Next thing is the WD-40 and our silicone lube. It look like this. Hop, hop, hop. I hope this has been informative, and till next time, bye.